The next question really isn't a question. It's from this is maybe somebody up in Pennsylvania. I don't know. From Nomies in the Berg 56. I guess a berg could be anywhere, but I just
No,
automatically associate Pittsburgh.
that's the Berg. It's Pittsburgh. There ain't no other Berg.
And they just said, "We love Scott and his good sense of wit. We need to see more from him." So that I included that just because, pump it up. I
In the Berg. I know all about the Berg right there.
I love him and I want y'all to love him too. So y'all can love him more than me. You just can't love my gypsy cat more than me. And we say that all the time to each other. I love you, babe. More than Gypsy?
I know the truth.
My heart's big enough for all of them. It just gets, each portion gets a little bit smaller with each cat we get. I think he still monopolizes it
The
though.
Berg.
All right. From Curiosity Keeled, the cats with a Z, 12772. What do you like to do for hobbies and in your spare time? Oh my gosh.
The Berg. Watch football.
Yeah, we
And I
watch
don't know,
football.
my hobbies anymore are whatever project she's got me working on.
Yeah, my projects, excuse me, turn into his projects. Um,
I got like, I don't know, I lost track. I think like three right now, but business has kind of been a little busier lately. So the projects take the back shelf, but she understands that.
yeah, my projects are never
And they're
pressing.
never ending, is what she meant to say.
I like crafts. I do a lot of crafts, and like I can show you some of them.
I like the Berg. And the crafts too. They're beautiful around the house.
I do the crafts. I do the country themes. I always like to try to put a little bit of a personal touch on them. So I have an ice box, and you can't see it, but I'll show it to you. There's an ice box that's above the refrigerator. It's an old metal ice box that you would put on your porch that they would deliver the milk into. And when I got that, I just had this vision that I needed to find the original because it was stamped on the bottom. I needed to find what it looked like originally, and I restored it to look similar to what it was originally. The colors are a little off. And then we took the little milk jugs, and he had put white in there. It doesn't work anymore. I'm so sad. Charlie Brown was my favorite.
No, it's another earthquake. Just hold on. We get them in Florida all the time. Oh wait, no, that's hurricanes. I'm sorry. We
So
get no earthquakes here.
we had a dairy up where we lived. It was called Myers Dairy, and I went and I found their logo and I put it on the milk jugs. So I try to bring a little bit of home. I got a truck. I can show you this one because it's not way up high. I gotta get it. Hold on. So this is just like some of the little decorations that I do. And I just picked up this truck, and then I put the Myers Dairy sticker on it, and I put it on both sides there. There, the glare isn't in there.
She makes these for the cats to steal stuff
Oh
off
yeah, the
of.
cats steal stuff. And then I put it on the tailgate. So that's the dairy from up home in Pennsylvania. And then I did the little metal milk jugs that they would have delivered. And you can see I put it on there too. So I just like the country decor, and I just do all these little fancy things. So I like crafting. I like to read, but I haven't read in a really long time. Although I just got a new book by Selena Myers from Spooky Boo, and I'm excited to read it.
Selena Spooky Boo.
Her and her husband Adam are phenomenal. We love watching their videos.
They're one of our new favorite channels for sure.
Absolutely.
They're
They're
very entertaining from all the way up there in
Canada, I
Canada
think.
somewhere. I don't know. I kind of wonder how close they are to. I used to fish just across the Canadian border up in right across on the St. Lawrence River. I'm curious because I'm not familiar with Canada. I was like 5 minutes across the border, or 10, whatever, and but it's been a long time. Put it this way: when I was going up there, you had nothing more than to show an ID. That was it. Now I think you have to do like a rectal exam or a retinal exam.
Oh
So I
yeah.
don't know, and passport, and who knows, a lot more stuff. I think they confiscate all your drug. I mean,
Don't take guns over the border. No, you can't do anything
no,
anymore. They
no,
took away
no
all the
fun. They took all the fun out of
fun.
it. No explosives.
So personally, I like to do the crafts. I like to do the country crafts. I make all kinds of things. I like to do anything that is very personalized. I make an ornament for us for our tree every year. I make a calendar, even though this year I waited until it was like six months. I'm just gonna say it really was like 6 months into the year before I made my calendar. But I take pictures and I kind of like make a scrapbook calendar for the years.
Oh, it's making me cold. Looking out
It's
that window. Oh,
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 my little Charlie Brown tree.
the bird.
Um, as far as that's what we like to do. I like to do together. We like to go. We like to go out to eat once a week. We don't really go out more than that. Sometimes we'll go
Is
out on
that
Saturday and Sunday.
when you get old? I feel like that's a hobby.
I think it's a hobby.
Because it consumes a lot of our time. Like we wake up on Saturday and we decide when we're laying in bed drinking coffee at you know 7, 8, 9, 10 in the morning. Hey, let's go to Titusville or Daytona or Tampa or whatever and grab lunch and go like
Random new places that
on the
are,
water. The ocean's awesome.
yep, outside because you don't have that year round anywhere else,
It's
and
Florida, so you sit inside and
you freeze like
it's
this.
it's nice for about when it's real warm. It feels nice to sit inside for about 10 minutes, and then I'm freezing because they got it like 65 degrees in most restaurants. So we sit outside a lot.
And what we like to, like he said earlier, we like gems, we like precious stones, semi-precious stones, we like any kind of fossils. So we like to go to like rock shops or metaphysical shops. We like architecture. We enjoy going and just like spending some time in like a historical area and just walking around and looking at the architecture that's aesthetically pleasing. He taught me that word and I've learned it and I use it. Somebody banging something somewhere.
Somebody's trying to get in or trying to get out.
Well, if they're trying to get out of wherever they are, they're probably not nice people, and they can just stay the heck in.
They shouldn't be trying to get in. That wouldn't be a good idea either.
And I don't know. Basically, we like to find new random places. We went to Alabama, and I found the replica of Stonehenge.
I like car shows.
Oh, that was amazing. That little replica of Stonehenge, that was really freaking cool. Because we'll never get there. We don't, I mean, we'd love to get there, but will we truly ever? That's a pipe dream, but you never know. Maybe we
We got too
will.
much stuff in this country I want to see first before we start venturing to other countries.
So that was really cool. Um, yeah, I mean, hobbies, just our cats. Our cats monopolize our time inside, outside,
He's like trying to get out the window. He
and
doesn't want to go outside, but he's trying to get out the window. What's going on? Is there something out there?
maybe that pounding was the bear.
I don't know.